Okay, one of the buttons that I use most on my TI-84 is going to be the ability to use the Y1 function or whatever Y function. It's always alpha trace, enter. So in this case I did a line of best fit, and then I use, let's try it one more time. About how we can store full functions to our calculator. I already have my data for my line of best fit question. If I know that it's linear, I'll press stat right 4. And then I actually want to store this regression equation into Y1. This might seem trivial, but when you have functions that are not nice and pretty, like this one is just 3x minus 7, when they're a little more involved, it could be a little bit harder to put them in because rounding will take place. It stores it in Y1, and what's beneficial there is in my home screen, when I do alpha trace enter, I can then just put, in this case, 50 to get 143.